Helping customers design and build their dream vault or safe room is one of the best parts of our job. Choosing the right vault door and picking out the interior features is like having a kid at a candy store. However, with nearly 40 years of experience selling, delivering, and installing vault doors, we've encountered our fair share of problems. Roughly 25% of the doors we are hired to install encounter some sort of an issue. To help you avoid any vault door installation hiccups, we've put together the 5 most common problems we encounter and how to avoid them. Each vault door has specific requirements for the wall's height, width, and thickness, known as a rough opening size. An experienced delivery and installation crew can sometimes overcome small inconsistencies in the rough opening size. However, installation must be postponed when the discrepancy between the rough opening requirements and the existing structure is too great. Rough opening issues can include too small of a rough opening, too big of a rough opening, or the rough opening is not plumb level and square. The first solution to this is having detailed engineered sketches and cut sheets. Once you pick out your vault door from us, we will provide you the engineering sketches and cut sheets detailing the following critical design elements: the rough opening size, the finish size with the flange, the clear opening of the door, and also the door swing. We provide these details to ensure you and your contractor have the right information and dimensions when building your vault or safe room. Despite clearly communicating these critical specifications to all parties, things can still go wrong. It's not uncommon that we show up for a vault door install and discover the finish size won't accommodate the door flange. The door flange is the ridge lip or external rim that protrudes from the edge of the door. The flange attaches to the wall, helping to stabilize and guide the door's movement. Here are a few reasons why the door flange won't fit. The wall is too thick, or the wall is not thick enough. Given the heavy nature of the vault door, if the flange doesn't fit, the door cannot safely be installed. Solution number 2, expert site inspection. We recommend having one of us come out and look at your site. This service is something we regularly provide, and we can come out to either new construction or a remodel site and make sure you have the right specs for your door. This inspection can happen at any point during the construction, though the earlier in the process, the better. That way there's less room for error. The installation path is typically no big deal if the door is going into a shop or ground floor garage. If your vault door is going into a basement and we have to take it down a steep slope or a staircase, it can prove to be substantially more challenging. When we're dealing with vault doors, it's not uncommon that an installation requires special precautions that need to be taken, additional tools that need to be brought, and additional machinery that might need to be utilized. If our delivery crew requires any of the above and shows up unprepared because a customer or builder failed to communicate, installation will be delayed and in some cases will be more costly. The solution to this is having one of us come out to your site, or you can even send us a video review and pictures. This gives our team the best information on how we will bring the door into the desired space and if there are any limitations or adversity regarding installation. As in many construction projects, timing is everything. If we show up when painters are spraying your house, or a plumber is working in the same space as our crew, your vault door installation will likely be delayed. Ensuring our team has a clear, unobstructed path and open workspace will ensure a smooth installation. To help customers provide this path, we call 1 to 2 weeks before delivery date to reconfirm, a couple days before delivery date to reconfirm and give you a 2-hour time window, and then the day of. We call about 30 to 60 minutes out to make sure everybody knows we're on the way with a big heavy door. An architect or engineer often determines the appropriate door swing and hinge side for the space. Unfortunately, not all architects and engineers are familiar with vault doors. Choosing the wrong door swing can cause problems ranging from preventing total use of your space to preventing installation. The solution? Once again, expert site inspection. An inspection can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. We take great pride in providing the best service through expert design, guidance, and inspections. The earlier you get us involved in the process, the less likely you are to run into problems during your vault door installation and build out.